Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and I know it has been a while, but I am here doing the hashtag Team Tiny Holiday Hop for 2021. So for my project for this hop, I wanted to just do, at first I was going to do tags, and I'm like, okay, well, there's been a lot of tag videos lately. So I got this set from Honeybee Stamps, and I believe it's Hug in a Mug. And I've been wanting to use this set, so I thought I would put it together for this video. So for the background, it's a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's going to be a top folding card. I used only Salvage Patina Distressed Ink, and that's it. I didn't want to add a whole lot to the background because I wanted my little cups or mugs to be the star of the show. I did use the Gonze Tombi Starry Night palette just to add a little bit of splatter to the background, and you will see me fidgeting with these cups because I had no idea how I wanted to place them on the card. I did go ahead and die cut them, and I added the hot cocoa just with some I don't even know where I got the cardstock. I want to say it was maybe one of Tim Holtz's cardstocks, and I knew I wanted to pop them up. So I went ahead and die cut everything out because it did take a little bit to get everything cut out and put together. So now I'm just trying to figure where I want this candy cane. And instead of waiting until I glued it down or waiting to paste everything down, I just went ahead and laid it there, and I cut off just a little bit of the end. The little whipped topping, that is pixie dust from Lawn Fawn, and I use it very sparingly. My favorite cardstock for anything white that glitters. So I ran when I cut those out through my die cutting machine, I did use like let me see if I can find it. I made it so it was like a sticker because it was a lot easier to get it to it was a lot easier for me to just not mess with the glue and get it on my card. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this, I use the Easy Cut sheets from iCrafter, and I just went ahead and cut all of the whipped toppings out and the little marshmallows using the Easy Cut adhesive and the Lawn Fawn pixie dust cardstock. So onto the hop. Team Tiny is a fantastic group. We're all under 1,000 subscribers, and it's nice because there's no ads in our videos. I mean, don't get me wrong. Even if there is, at most time you can skip it. But for our tiny channels, it's just nice to be able to put on the playlist, which you can do. You can type in the hashtag Team Tiny Holiday Hop 2021, and it'll pull up all the videos. So it's nice just to sit through that playlist and, not have to worry about advertisements. So for this hop, there's 3 giveaways. I am going to do a giveaway which includes a mix pack of sparkle blends, a sparkle stick, and some acetate sheets. Because, you have to have acetate sheets if you're going to make shaker cards. There's also one from Nancy May, and she will have more information on her channel about that. I believe she's doing 2. She's got stencils from A Colorful Life Designs, and I believe she's doing a gift card. And let me just double check to make sure there's not one that I'm missing, because I don't want you guys to miss out on the giveaways. And I feel like that's it. Yeah, that's it. If there are any more, I'll put them in the description box, along with everything that I'm using in this video. But yeah, it's I really enjoy being a part of Team Tiny. I haven't done a hop in quite a while. Life, happens. So yeah, if you guys haven't, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. There's a lot of great channels on this hop, and there always are. Okay, back to the card. So for the Merry Christmas, I used I don't want to call it foil paper because it's not. It's from Brutus Monroe. And again, I ran that through the sticker, or ran it through my die cutting machine with that iCraft adhesive on the back of it. So I did have one boo-boo. Well, two. There you can see my candy canes. I forgot to glue them down. So I did go ahead and glue those down. But when I went to stick my card to my card base, I did not get it fully to the top. So what I did was, and you'll see that here in a minute, I went ahead and just cut the top of it off and adhered it to another card base. So that is my card for the Team Tiny Hop. Again, check the description box. There'll be lots of information. There will be the information for the giveaways and a link to, or the hashtag to follow the whole, to have the playlist of the hop. Boy, can you guys tell that I'm a little rusty at this? It's been a little bit. I'm hoping to get back to doing more videos. But yeah, that's my card. Until next time, guys. Bye.